Welcome to our farm. Let's listen to what the animals have to say. Can you guess the sound of our friend, the cow? That's right. The cow says, listen to it one more time. Next, we have a pig, pink and round. The pig says, let's listen to it again. Let's listen to it one more time. Here's a horse galloping by. The horse says, let's listen to it again. Let's listen to it one more time. Look at the sheep, fluffy and white. The sheep says, let's listen to it again. Let's listen to it one more time. Here comes a dog wagging its tail. The dog says, let's listen to it again. Let's listen to it one more time. Wake up with the rooster at the break of day. The rooster says, let's listen to it again. Let's listen to it one more time. Last but not least, here's a duck from the pond. The duck says, let's listen to it again. Let's listen to it one more time. Now, let's hear them all, one by one. The cow. The pig. The horse. The sheep. The dog. The rooster. And the duck. Remember the sounds and come back to play. Until next time, see you later!